What does fabrics hide everything actually hide? When I use the hide everything context manager and a fabric task fails, I still get a message. The docs read. Everything includes warnings, running, user and output, see above. Thus, when turning off everything, you will only see a bare minimum of output, just status and debug if it's on, along with your own print statements. But this is not strictly true, right? I see status, debug, and abort messages. If I really do want to hide everything, is there a better way then?
When in doubt, look at the source. This URL. Here is the actual declaration. Everything is pretty much everything, warnings, running, user, output, exceptions. This URL. It's just a nice wrapper around output. Frankly, I would stick to their built-in decorators since that has less chances of changing, plus you get the added value of more Pythonic readable code. Versus. But, at the end of the day, it's the same thing. This is what I have always used.